Meglaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association Mendakasikla Ujor show Chief Executive Officer ya Shillong Municipal Board halor ke jing Pynslem ke jongka ban ai ke Syrnot shaki nyo phongut ke Nongdie Madan ke bedai ki khot ke jongka association kala pen pau ke jing bam so hun bagi Nongdie Madan ke bedai hok kila syak kan tat ban yo ya ke Syrnot kumta nakaliang ke nong ke shan jong association ke kong Angela rangat kalau ong ba ki Nongdie Madan ki sabu ya ki jing ujor ka we hadin ka we halor ke ni ke jing le Shillong mat jong ke SMB ban sam ke Syrnot sheki Nongdie Madan ki bedai hok ban yo ya ke Syrnot.
I'll tell you that list eventually was 329, the ones which went for the subcommittee hearing, right? So out of that, they have again looked at people who have been surveyed, not surveyed, and as I told you, anyway, the ones who have not been surveyed also have been recommended. So there's arbitrariness there. But from our organization, the ones we know who are genuine, at least 60 to 70. Now the rest, where have these names popped up from, we don't know. There are no proper grounds. Especially for those who have been surveyed. I can say that all right, one ground can be that those who have not been surveyed, it is true that now we'll need further verification. They keep saying that there are people who are unable to provide documentation, but on that day there are people who went with documentation, and as per the scheme and the law, what documentation is required? That they ought to be a citizen of India, 18 years and above, having been a vendor for at least more than 6 months prior to the survey, okay? But now, as I am pointing, there are people who have not even been vending, who have got, so there's just all this confusion, and it points to deliberate corruption and, confusion. So.
Ki nong jong ka killing but ki jaka ke ba